Hello, Jutta family. We have Teddy going to the vet. You can see the side door of the van is excellent because it's at a lower level. It's closer to the ground, makes it easier for the dogs to go in and out. But Teddy's got privileges, he's got a lap. He has been neutered. It all went very well until he decided to have a good check of his wound. So he's done a little bit of a mess there, and we are at the vet to sort out the area. You can see it's raining. It's cold now. It's very cold at night as well. Yanis was saying that as he went to be neutered and he was away for a few hours, his mother, Julie, was very sad. She looked very sad that he wasn't there. She is an excellent mother, very, very good. She still plays with him, gives him a lot of attention, and she actually now plays with the new dog as well, Brando. So she's excellent. You see, they're cleaning the wound. Very thorough clean to avoid infection. Teddy had a cone of shame put in, but he destroyed it. He managed to break it. So we're having to clean the wound and protect it all over again. Hopefully he will behave this time. He's a beautiful dog, Teddy. Very beautiful. Yeah, cone of shame again. We have neutered almost all the girls, so we are now neutering some of the boys as well. Some are neutered already, but priority is for the girls. Thank you very much for your support, Jutta family. Bless him. Look at those ears. So cute. Bye bye from Teddy.
εκεί που ήταν τέλος πάντων είναι...
Κατάλαβα. Που είναι ένα σχολείο εκεί πέρα.
Ναι, από πάνω, λίγο πιο πάνω, ένας καινούργιος δρόμος που έχει να ανοίξει.
Κατάλαβα. Αυτός πρέπει να είναι. Τέλει, καλά φαίνεται. Μήπως είναι πολύ σιχτάρι Βαγγέλη.
Όχι.
Εντάξει. Τέλει.
Άλλο δυστύχημα, αλλά...
Άλλα σκυλιά να πάνε, δεν πάνε.
Όχι.
Αυτό μόνο μην κάνει.
Η μάνα της είναι. Η μάνα της και ένα άλλο σκυλάκι. Η μάνα του. Α, κάτι άλλο τώρα.